Hello everyone, today we will discuss the current affairs of the Hindu newspaper, that is 12th December 2023. The important news of today's discussion is Supreme Court upheld repeal of Jammu and Kashmir special status. Let's see the details in this news. That is, Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court on Monday unanimously upheld the power of the President to upgrade special status of Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution, leading to the reorganization of full-fledged state to two union territories and the removal of its privileges. That is, the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court unanimously upheld that the power of the President to upgrade the special status under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution. In that special status to Jammu and Kashmir, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir upgraded, and leading to this reorganization of full-fledged state. This full-fledged state into two union territories. This state into two UTs, that is J&K, and another UTs is Ladakh. The five judges bench headed by Chief Justice of India, that is D.Y. Chandrachud, confirmed that the President could unilaterally issue a notification that Article 370 ceased to exist. Okay. Jammu and Kashmir does not have any unanimously upheld. 1 minute. Jammu and Kashmir does not have any internal sovereignty different from other states, because Jammu and Kashmir, as under Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories, that is full-fledged state that divided into two union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir, and another one is Ladakh. So Jammu and Kashmir does not have any internal sovereignty different from other state, and its status under Article 370 is only a form of asymmetric federalism. Okay, this is important. From its historical context, it is clear that Article 370 is only a temporary provision. That's why this Article 70 was repealed. The President, in exercise of power under Article 370 Clause 3, can unilaterally issue a notification that Article 370 ceased to exist. Let's move to another important news, that is Poland. Poland Parliament elected Donald Tusk as a Prime Minister. You should remember this. Donald Tusk as a Prime Minister. Poland Parliament elected centrist party leader Donald Tusk as a Prime Minister, paving the way for a new pro-EU government after 8 years of stormy conservative rules. Tusk became the PM 2 months after a national elections that was won by the coalitions of parties ranging from left wing to moderate conservative. This is not that much of important. This is only one line here you should remember, that is Poland. In Poland, PM is Donald Tusk. Donald Tusk is the Prime Minister of Poland. Okay. We move to the next another news, that is documentary and Natu lyrics wins award. Natu is a song from the Telugu movie Tribhular, and Mr. Chandra Bose won the Oscar for Best Original Songs at the 95th Academy Award in March. In that, a documentary and Oscar award winning a lyrics, Subhash Chandra Bose, famous for Natu Natu songs from the Telugu movie Tribul R, has won award 12th Mumbai Short International Film Festival. The documentary produced and directed, this important, documentary produced and directed by senior journalist. His name is Chilkuri Sushil Rao. Chilkuri Sushil Rao. Chilkuri Sushil Rao is the produced and directed by senior journalist Chilkuri Sushil Rao was given a special mentioned award at the festival on Sunday. Okay, and Mr. Chandra Bose won the Oscar for the Best Original Song at 95th Academy Award in March. Oscar Award. Okay, we move to the next news. That is, Ratan India arm introduced drone for healthcare and e-commerce. Ratan India Enterprises Limited announced the introduction of LO7. This is important, LO7 drone for in healthcare and e-commerce industries. Okay, a contact delivery drones for e-commerce and healthcare industries through company name is Totrail Aerospace System. The LO7 compact is designed, developed and manufactured in India. This is important because it is manufactured and developed in India, especially for the use cases where the payload are small. Payload also very small, and it is commercially also available. Development within the cargo drone operation as prescribed by DGCA. This also DGCA also prescribed, accepted, and Ratan India arms introduced drone. The drone name is LO7. This is important point, you should remember. We move to the another next topic, that is new speaker. In Telangana, recently elections was conducted and Congress party won majority. In that, the Chief Minister of Telangana now is Revanth Reddy has selected Vikharabad MLA G. Prasad Kumar as a choice for the speaker post. Now, Telangana speaker now elected as G. Prasad Kumar. G. Prasad Kumar is Telangana speaker. Okay, we move to the next topic, that is TSPSC chairman resigned. It is good news for TSPSC students, TSPSC aspirant. The chairman of the TSPSC was resigned. Okay. Another news is new criminal bill with key changes set to be rolled out. New criminal bills with key changes set to be rolled out. Our Union Home Minister, according to the recommendation of Parliamentary Committee, our Union Home Minister Amit Shah informed members of the Lok Sabha on Monday that three criminal codes that seek to replace the British era laws will be withdrawn and replaced with 3 new bills after incorporating and changes. Okay, as per the recommendation of Parliamentary Committee, Union Minister said the 3 criminal codes that seek to be replaced, the British era laws will be withdrawn and the new bills after incorporated and changes. The 3 criminal codes are Bharatiya Sakshya Bill, Bharatiya Sakshya Bill 2023, and another one is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill 2023, and last one is Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita Bill 2023 that sought to be replaced Indian Evidence Act 1872, Indian Evidence Act 1872, Indian Penal Code 1860 and Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 were introduced in the Parliament on August 11th. Okay, we move to the another news. That is, this is last news of today's discussion, but it's important news. Can Bihar increase its reservation pool? Okay. Government of Bihar approved two laws increase the quantum of reservation. Government of Bihar approved quantum of reservation in the field of job and education in the state, that is 75%. 75% is reservation in Bihar. This is approved in the field of both, that is that is job in the field of jobs and education. Out of 75 and 20% for scheduled caste SC and 2% for ST and 18% backward BC and 25% extremely backward classes and 10% for economically weaker section, that is EWS. This whole considered in one out of 75%, 20% for SC and 2% for ST, 18% for OBC and 25% for extremely backward classes and 10% for economically weaker section. The two laws have once again sparked debate. Due to this exceed of reservation, the sparked debate around the permissible limit of reservation in India, that is particularly view of 50%. 50% limit were prescribed by Supreme Court. This important in the Mandal Commission case, that is Indira Sahani. As per the Indira Sahani case, Mandal Commission, Supreme Court prescribed particularly view of the 15% limit prescribed by the Supreme Court. Okay, but in 1963, the seven judges bench in M.R. Balaji explained that reservation were in the nature of an exceptions or special provisions under our constitutional scheme. In 1963, seven judges bench headed by M.R. Balaji explained that reservation were in the nature an exceptional. It is an exceptional and special provision under our constitution. Therefore, they can't be provided for more than, this also important point, they can't be provided for more than 50% the post or seats. Last year, the Supreme Court upheld 103rd Constitution Amendment Act, which provides for 10% reservation for EWS, economically weaker sections. Additionally, reservation to the EWS. This means for the time being that the 50% limit applies only to non-EWS, because we have prescribed limited reservation, that is 50%. But last year what happened? Our Supreme Court said 10% reservation for EWS. This exceed the limit of our prescribed reservation, that is 50%. So 50 plus 10%, that is 60%. 60% of the seats are post included EWS reservations. Bihar is not the first to cross the line. There are many states or union territories there. They cross the line which is prescribed by limit of Mandal Commission Indira Sahani case, that is 50%. But Bihar not a one example. There are many states and UTs. We will see. Bihar is not the first to cross the line. Other states that have already surprised 50% limit, even excluding, this also important, even excluding the EWS quota, are Chhattisgarh 72%. Chhattisgarh 72% reservation excluding of EWS. EWS quota. And another one is Tamil Nadu, 69% reservation, and there are intelligent people. They made this 9th schedule, under 9th schedule. And several northeastern states including Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, 80% each state have reservation. Lakshadweep, this is highlighted. Lakshadweep has a whopping 100% reservation. 100% reservation for Lakshadweep for scheduled tribes. Okay, previously attempted by Maharashtra and Rajasthan have been struck down by the court. We will end today's discussion. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.